health sector. So, what factors did motivate you to join DXN?
Yeah, you are right. I'm from a very high, profession. That I'm a cardiologist, and I've been practicing cardiology for the past 25 years now.
Okay.
And this product, Ganoderma, was introduced to me by my close friend, family friend, Professor Vaspalaya and Dr. Ratna. At that point of time, I never knew anything about Ganoderma because I did not study in my medical curriculum about Ganoderma. And when I started using the products, I understood the unique nature of the product, the Ganoderma lucidum, and its therapeutic benefits.
Yeah.
So I thought that I should promote this product so that it has got a major role to play in area of prevention, and as also it can help people who suffer from very many diseases, especially age-related disorders.
Okay.
And there are a lot of literature available on the therapeutic efficacy of this Ganoderma once I perused the literature. So my thinking was whether Ganoderma can be given to any patient to alleviate their symptoms, like deadly diseases like cancer. And that was my thinking going on when I joined DXN. And subsequently, I also understood as a powerful antioxidant how it can prevent illnesses, especially, as I said, the age-related illnesses like heart disease, cancer, arthritis. Because as you know, in allopathy, we do not have a role to play in prevention. Even though we talk about prevention, there is nothing much available for us because we give poison, more toxic drugs as medicines to patients in allopathy. But when you talk about Ganoderma, it's a food supplement. The food is going to act as medicine, which is a more welcome concept, and you are able to protect your health, especially in the old age. And our American Heart Association, they say that you have to prevent heart disease. And for that, they give a lot of the tips. You have to control your blood pressure, your blood sugar, your stress level, so many things. But Ganoderma has got multiple benefits on the body. And it, as I said, it's a very powerful antioxidant. It controls the blood pressure. It controls the blood sugar. It is an anti-stress herb. There are so many effects of Ganoderma, good effects of Ganoderma on the body, so that it helps the cardiologist for prevention. And today, when you peruse the literature, there is so much of information available on Ganoderma. It's a sad thing that allopathic doctors, we do not know anything about this Ganoderma lucidum. A very powerful herb, a God-given herb, which is promoted by DXN because they have their own farm where they manufacture this under strict, stringent conditions. And the quality of Ganoderma is something fantastic because the researchers always say that the quality of Ganoderma has to be extremely good to have reproducible effects. And I find DXN Ganoderma is a very high quality Ganoderma. And another reason why I joined the network marketing, which I do not know anything about business, is that I thought that I can retire in my old age with a big pension, with a big residual income. And that is what my mentor, my teacher in network marketing, Professor Vaspalaya, taught me. And my profession is a very challenging job, and every day in and day out I have to work very hard, and stress is at the highest level.
Okay, okay.
So the second reason why I joined the network marketing and the DXN marketing business is that, you know, I wanted to have a residual income in my old age,
Yeah.
so that I am stress-free.
Yeah.
And I came to know that in network marketing, genuine network marketing company like DXN, it goes to 3 generations.
Yeah.
It should protect my family.
Doctor, you have already spent a decade time in DXN Internet. So what message would you like to give to those people who are just willing to join DXN and just get their financial freedom?
Yeah, it's, if you take the message of our CEO,
Yeah.
it's a health, wealth and happiness.
Okay.
And especially being a cardiologist and a practicing physician,
Yeah.
I would think that everybody should have health at the old age to enjoy whatever, you know, they have achieved in their younger days. And daily I meet with death and life and death, because, you know, the heart disease is such a, you know, dangerous disease that it can kill people instantaneously. You have to prevent heart disease, and for that we need you know, excellent health, so that you do not get any age-related illnesses. And Ganoderma is such a unique tool, unique herb which will do that job. And the DXN marketing plan is one of the best plans that you can work on. And for these 2 reasons, I think that DXN has a great role to play in many people's life, that
Okay.
it can completely change the life.
Okay.
And our CEO's mission is that it will give health, wealth and happiness.
Yeah.
And that should be everlasting, and every one of us should get that.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Doctor.